The truth about red onions and cancer treatment. The red onion is a cancer-fighting food. It is a vegetable that has been shown to fight cancer cells with its high concentration of quercetin and anthocyanins. Quercetin is an antioxidant that can stop the growth of cancer cells and prevent them from spreading. Anthocyanins are pigments which give the onion its red color and have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. We should be including this vegetable in our diet because it has many health benefits, such as fighting inflammation, lowering blood pressure, reducing cholesterol levels, improving circulation, and boosting immunity. Most people eat about 13 pounds or 6 kilograms of onions each year. Whether they are cooked or eaten raw, onions are full of nutrients. But raw onions have more sulfur compounds than cooked onions. Onions are full of chemicals that fight cancer. But some varieties have a lot more of these compounds and are better at stopping the growth of liver and colon cancer cells. Red onions have more chemicals that fight cancer than any other kind tested. Western yellow and pungent yellow onions are especially good at killing liver cancer cells, but colon cancer cells are the ones they kill the most. They are also powerful antioxidants and stop the growth of cancer cells. The stronger an onion's antioxidant activity and protective effect, the more total phenolic and flavonoid content it has. Some types of phytochemicals are phenolics and flavonoids. These are chemicals that stop bacteria, viruses, and fungi from hurting plants. Onions are one of the best foods to eat if you want to get flavonoids. Like other antioxidants, phenolics and flavonoids help prevent cancer by getting rid of free radicals that damage cells and stopping the production of reactive substances that could harm normal cells. Onions are also a good source of organosulfur compounds, which can lower the risk of lung and bowel cancer. Onions are a bulb vegetable in the family Liliaceae. They are eaten by a lot of people. The crop is grown everywhere on Earth. It was said that the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and Africa were all places where people started to live together. China and South Korea are the countries that make the most onions right now. From the tropics to the subarctic, you can grow onions. This change is mostly caused by different responses to the length of the day. Ancient Egyptians used to worship the onion because they thought that its rings meant that life would last forever. Onions have been found buried with several mummies. The health benefits of eating more red onions are plentiful. Red onions contain polyphenols, which help to lower cholesterol and fight cancer. They also contain vitamin C, which helps to strengthen the immune system. Eating more red onions will help you live a healthier life. If you liked what you saw, like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a video.